Zombie apocalypse.
Boot device not found. Please install an operating system on your hard disk. Amongst numerous system errors, boot device not found error is the most common problem faced by computer users. It occurs unexpectedly, without giving you a chance to act. But, you can easily fix the boot device not found 3FO error by following a set of measures. These remedial measures are applicable when you see any of the following hard drive errors on the screen. 1. Boot device not found. Please install an operating system on your hard disk. 2. No boot device available. 3. Boot device not found, hard disk 3FO. 4. No bootable device found. Insert boot disk and press any key. When does boot device not found 3FO error occurs? A hard drive boot device not found 3FO error occurs when the hard disk does not support the system boot process. During the booting process, the operating system loads into random access memory (RAM). To accomplish this task, a setup process initiates, and basic input-output system (BIOS) takes charge. The BIOS accesses certain files from the bootable device, aka hard disk. But when the hard drive is not accessible, boot device not found 3FO error pops on the computer screen. What are the causes of boot device 3FO error? If you can identify the cause of the 3FO error, you can take a suitable course of action to fix the boot device not found an error. The possible causes of hard drive 3F0 error comprise of 1. Incorrect boot sequence in the BIOS. 2. Master boot record (MBR) or boot sector is damaged. 3. A hard drive connection issue. 4. Malware attack. 5. Corrupt hard drive partitions. 6. Damaged hard drive. How to fix boot device not found error. Main point 1. Perform a hard reset. A hard reset re-establishes the connection between the BIOS and the hardware. Performing a hard reset is easy and it may fix the boot device not found 3FO error. Follow these steps. 1. Turn off the computer. 2. Remove the computer from any docking station and unplug the AC adapter from the computer. 3. Ensure no peripheral devices are connected to the computer. 4. Now press the power button for 15 seconds to drain out the residual charge. 5. Press the power button to start the system. 6. Once the startup menu appears, use arrow keys to select Start Windows normally and press Enter. Main point 2. Restore BIOS default settings. Sometimes, the system is configured to boot from an unbootable disk. To fix the boot device not found 3FO error, follow these steps. 1. Press the power button to start the computer, and immediately after this, repeatedly press the F10 key to enter the BIOS setup menu. 2. To load and restore BIOS setup default settings, press F9 on the BIOS setup menu. 3. Once loaded, press F10 to save and exit. 4. Select Yes, and then press Enter when it says Exit Saving Changes. 5. Follow the instructions to restart the computer. Main point 3. Reset hard drive. There might be some lost connections, and resetting the hard drive may fix the boot device not found an error. Follow these steps. 1. Press the power button for a few seconds to turn off the computer. 2. Unplug the power cable. 3. Now, disconnect and reconnect the hard drive. 4. Reassemble the computer, and restart it to see if it works seamlessly. Thanks for watching it. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon with a smile.